Hi guys, today we are going to tell top 10 powerful passport in the world. Before we get started, I request you, if you are new on our channel, then subscribe our channel for our upcoming videos. Guys, Japan has knocked Singapore off top spot on the list of the world's most powerful passport, according to new research, while the UK has slipped again to 11th. The ranking by Henley & Partners, a citizenship and planning firm, takes into account how many countries can be visited without applying for a visa. Japanese citizens can travel to a record 190 out of a possible 218, having recently gained visa-free access to Myanmar, while Singaporeans can visit 189 and Britain's 186. Japan and Singapore had previously been neck and neck, both on 189, following a visa exemption from Uzbekistan, with Germany in third. Iran and Afghanistan continue to hold the bottom spot, with only 30 destinations accessible visa-free to their citizens. Neither the UK or US, both with 186 countries, have gained access to any new jurisdictions since the start of the year, while visa-free travel among Asian countries has soared thanks to up to 40 visa waiver agreements signed by governments in 2018. It seems increasingly unlikely that the US and the UK will regain the #1 spot they jointly held in 2015, the report said. Guys, here is the list of the world's most powerful passport. Number 1, Japan. Number 2, Singapore. Number 3, South Korea. Number 4, France. Number 5, Germany. Number 6, Denmark. Number 7, Finland. Number 8, Italy. Number 9, Sweden. Number 10, Spain. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, like this video, comment below and share this video with your friends on the social media. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video.